Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Shop app. So the Shop app, as you may know, is just a shopping app that's similar to other Amazon and eBay marketplaces. It's pretty similar, and also apart from shopping, you can also track your packages and deliveries as well. So what you can do, so firstly open up your Shop app. So open up your Shop app and then log into your account. You can simply create an account. You just need your phone, your personal details and a phone number or email address to create it. So just get that done. So once you have already logged in here, so on your home page itself here, you will see variety different types of categories and options here with products. You can just browse around and select an item that you wish to purchase, or else on the search bar here you can search for any item that you wish to purchase, or else you also have these different categories here where you can search by categories. So you can just browse around, and once you like an item, so for example what you have to do is simply add it to your cart. So for example this hoodie here, you can just select the color, size and everything and hit on add to cart, or else you can hit on buy now if you want to straight away go to the checkout. So once you add it to your cart, so now what you're going to do, you're going to hit on continue to checkout so that we can proceed to the checkout session where we can do the payment and everything. So when you get to the checkout session here, so what happens here is similar to other e-commerce apps. So all you have to do is simply type in your shipping details, address and everything, and then your payment method. You can just choose your shipping methods and payment methods. How do you want to pay? So you can plug in all those details, and then once everything else is fine, all you have to do is hit on pay now, and that's it. Your order will be processed. And then once you have placed the order, then what you can do, you can track your order when you get to this option here. So if you see the tracking option here, so click on it, click on the accounts tab here, and then here when you click on accounts tab, then you will see this option here. When you click on this tracking tab here, so not the accounts tab, tracking tab, my bad, so hit on the accounts tab here. So your tracking tab here, you will see all the items or orders that you have added here. So you can simply, what you can do, just hit on it and then open it up, and then you can track it and you can see all the details associated with that order. For example, something like this here. So, and I just have one. So if you have multiple orders, you can just click on it and then check out the delivery associates with the status of it, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty good, easy to use, handy app for your shopping. And I hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video.